Welcome back to all of you. In this video, I'm going to tell you some of most important 1 mark and 2 mark question of your 12th class psychology book, and the chapter name is Self and Personality. So this chapter is your second chapter, and this video is going to be very important as this included objective type question, multiple choice question, fill ups and true false. So let's start this video. Now let's check some fill up type question. So the first question is, a child cheats in exam and thinking that other are doing the same, so he used to do the same thing. तो एक आपने डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म पढ़ा था, तो वो किस टाइप का एक डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म है? अगर बच्चा कोई अगर क्लास में चीटिंग कर रहा है क्योंकि वो सोच रहा है कि बाकी बच्चे भी कर रहे हैं तो मैं भी कर लेता हूँ चीटिंग, तो ये जो मैकेनिज्म है दिस इज रैशनलाइजेशन मैकेनिज्म. ठीक है, तो इसी टाइप का एक नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आता है दैट अमित इज़ नॉट सेलेक्टेड फॉर द फुटबॉल टीम. स्कूल की कोई फुटबॉल टीम होगी, उसमें वो सिलेक्ट नहीं हुआ, तो वो क्लेम करना शुरू कर जाता है, वो रैशनलाइज करना शुरू हो जाता है दैट ही इज़ हैप्पी एट बिकॉज ही गिव टाइम टू प्रिपेयर द टर्म एग्जामिनेशन एंड स्कोर अ गुड. तो वो किस टाइप का मैकेनिज्म यूज़ कर रहा है? अगेन ही इज़ यूजिंग अ रैशनलाइजेशन mechanism. So let's start with some objective type question. First question is, the MMP inventory was devised by, so the correct answer is Hathaway and McKinley. Next question is, 16 personality factor questionnaire was developed by, so this 16 PF questionnaire was developed by Kettle. Next question is, the thematic appreciation test which is developed by Morgan and Murray. Next question is, the trigunas are, so simplest question is this, sometimes this question may ask in an exam, Vat, Pitt and Kaph is the correct answer of trigunas. Now let's check some true false question. So the first question is, in projection the people attribute their own traits to other. So the correct answer is true. Yes, it is there. Let's understand this projection topic with a very simple example. When a child who fail in any exam, he or she started blaming that his teacher is not teaching the lesson properly, that's why I'm fail. So here the child is using a defense mechanism behavior which is projection. So the next question is, self report measure do not suffer from the problem of social desirability. So बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, इसका करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा false. Let's understand this, because self report measure, it is a kind of method where subject has to report his or her own feeling with respect to various items, because this report is a direct technique. Or sometime in exam they'll ask you what is the example of write an example of self report measure. So the examples are MMPI method, EPQ method, then we are having 16 personality factor method. Now let's check some objective type question which may come in a 2 marks. So here I have written only keynotes, just listen me properly. So first question is, what is self? So self is an organized cognitive structure and characteristics in which we define our existence. It means self which refers to the totality of any individual, means any idea, any thoughts, any feeling with regard to or self or herself or himself, that is self. Next question is, define personality. So personality which refers to our characteristics ways of responding to the individual and situation, different situation, how we people are dealing with different people, that is personality. Actually personality is the personal identity which refers to the attributes of the person that makes him or her different from others, that is why this is personality. Now next question is, what is self esteem? Self esteem means it is a kind of or cognitive component of और सेल्फ, मतलब एक बंदे का अपना एक कॉग्निटिव कॉम्पोनेंट होता है जिसको हम बोलते हैं सेल्फ एस्टीम, विच वैल्यू द जजमेंट ऑफ एनी पर्सन अबाउट हिज सेल्फ, हर सेल्फ और हिमसेल्फ. Next question is, what is self-efficacy? So the answer is, it is an individual belief about his or her own capability to get the success in any specific situation. If this question may come in a 2 mark, what extra you need to write down in this question, that self-efficacy, when a person believes that he has a strong belief that they themselves control their life by their luck and their fate, that is self-efficacy. And moreover you can write down that the notion of this self-efficacy which is based on the Bandura social learning theory. Next question is, what are the primary structural elements of personality according to the फ्रॉइड्स सिगमंड फ्रॉइड थ्योरी। तो सिगमंड फ्रॉइड के थ्योरी के अकॉर्डिंग जो प्राइमरी स्ट्रक्चरल एलिमेंट बनाया था उसने पर्सनालिटी के अकॉर्डिंग, तो उसमें बेसिक एलिमेंट्स क्या है? सो वन इज आईडी, ईगो एंड सुपर ईगो। These are the basic primary structure element of the personality development theory, which is given by Sigmund Freud. Next question is, what is the basic goal of the psychoanalysis? So the basic goal of the psychoanalysis is to bring the repressed unconscious material to the conscious. So student, if you really like the content, do like this video and subscribe this channel for the upcoming important videos. Thanks for watching.